A lot of gurus aren't gonna like me saying this, but you don't actually need to spend thousands of dollars on digital marketing to make money. Sure, paid ads do work, but if you don't get it exactly right, you can lose it all. So I found 5 ways that any business can use digital marketing to get more clients that actually work.
If you have watched my videos before, then you already know that I have done my homework before recording this video. And the 4-step method Wes McDowell is sharing here is called GROW. While these two are the marketing methods, and W right here is where all the money is. So stay tuned, watch the full video to get the full scoop. But in case you don't have a business yet, you're a complete beginner, or you're busy at 9 to 5, that's totally okay. We will cover what you can do as a complete beginner, working 1 to 2 hours per day while spending most of the time at your 9 to 5 and rest of the time with your family. First, let us consider you have a business, but you are making this mistake and you are not using G.
My first free way to market your business is to set up and fully optimize your Google business profile.
Yeah, that's right. Google is free, literally 100% free. They let you use their service and all their amazing applications, their huge network, their ability to connect with your target customers. But you have to know how to use them right.
It's honestly crazy to me how many business listings I see that just fill in the bare minimum amount of information, especially when studies have shown that completely filled out listings are 7 times more likely to be clicked on than those that aren't.
So the first step is create a complete Google business listing. Doing this is absolutely insanely free and simple. Start with Googling how to Google business listing, the dumbest way to search something. And Google is smart. It will give you the 3 ways you can do it. And look, people are even asking, is Google My Business Listings free? Yeah, the answer is it's free. So click this link. It will take you to Google Business Profile Help, and step by step, you can add your business in Google. But remember to use all the information, fill in the complete form. So when people search your business or search your business type and they find your business, they can see complete information. From there, you will find tons of people calling you, connecting with you, and buy from you.
Not only is this 100% free marketing, it will literally take you less than 10 minutes to do it. So
yeah, that's it, 10 minutes. Guys, be it 30 minutes, so what? Free marketing, free customers. Go do it right now. If you are saying, Mosh, I don't have a business yet, I'm busy at my 9 to 5, this is not being useful to me. Hold on, this step here is right for you. And at the end, there is another bonus step that we are using on daily basis, and our beginner students are using as well. And look at this. They are earning high ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system using AI, using automated funnels. And if you want to know details about which program these students belong to, then check the link in the description if you're watching from YouTube. But if you're watching from my website, then again, check the link or button below this video that will take you to the presentation of my program. But by the way, that presentation is not only a business presentation, it will show you everything we do step by step. So you can learn yourself, and if you want to try, you can do it yourself. But of course, if you think our program is a great one, it perfectly matches you and your lifestyle like these students, then at the end of the video, you will learn how you can enroll into our program. Problem solved? Let's go back to the next step.
Marketing legend Alex Hormozi came up with this concept, and it's what helped him build his empire. Rather than casual DM reach outs to prospects whenever you feel like it.
All right, just before this, he covered a feel like reach out type marketing. Now again, this might not be for you if you are at a 9 to 5, but if you are in a business, then this is definitely for you. If you are in any kind of business, then you have some kind of marketing plan and you have marketing team, or you hire some agencies to do the marketing for you. And you definitely reach out to potential customers. Am I right? Yes? No? If no, then it's really no, because you should. And a lot of business owners do it in a way that I want to do it today, so I'm going to do it. Tomorrow, I don't feel like it, so I don't want to do it. Well, that doesn't work that way. Alex Hormozi turned it into a system, so business owners can get predictable income.
Alex preaches the rule of 100.
Guys, again, 100 is a large number. And when the number is large, your chances of getting results from that is large as well. So keep watching before what you are learning from here is solid gold.
Specifically, sending out 100 cold DMs every single day. Why 100, you ask? Well, it's the magic number that provides enough volume to be able to see real results.
Let me show you a real life example. What you can see here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. It's a real account, you can see that. Over 2,000 affiliates earned over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions. Now, this might piss some people off. If that is the case, I apologize. Reality is a bit harsh, but if you follow the rules, then you are the one who will be the gainer. All this money was made by sending traffic. All these hops you can see here, these are traffic. Our affiliates sent traffic to our offers, and as a result, they earned affiliate commissions. So what is the relationship between this traffic and commission? The truth is, everyone does not buy everything right now. People buy what they want or what they need right now. So if you send traffic to an offer, 5, 10, or 20 people out of 100 people may decide to grab that offer, and the rest, maybe they will grab later, or maybe the offer is not the right fit for them, so they will get something else. By the way, this example is completely beginner friendly. It is done and it can be done by complete beginners. We teach the whole thing in our program, and that's why beginner students are earning money fairly easily. So Alex Hormozi was right. It's a number game. If you send 100 DMs per day to your potential clients or customers, some will say yes, pay for your product or services, and you make money. And DMs are 100% free. So what's stopping you?
Let's face it, most of these messages are going to get ignored or turned down, but that's all part of the process. And if the thought of cold reach outs turns your stomach, no worries, I have something else coming up that's actually going to bring people to you with no selling needed on your end.
I love it, and you're gonna love it too. That's exactly what this O is about. A quick hint, you're going to talk to make real money.
Another incredibly effective way to spread the word about your business, leveraging the power of podcasting. Now, I am not suggesting that you dive into creating your own podcast. It can come with a lot of benefits, but it's also a ton of work, especially when it comes to promotion.
Well, it might be a little confusing. You might be thinking that you need to set up your own podcast, which is not the case. Yes, you can do that. And in fact, you don't even need a podcast setup. Like, you don't even need a studio, not even an arrangement like mine. All you need is a place, a decent microphone, a little camera to connect with people on Zoom and have a conversation. Now, the problem is it takes time to build a podcast audience. So you can't really create your own podcast audience overnight, but you can do what Wes is suggesting right now, and it's brilliant.
Instead, here's a strategy that's both smarter and less labor intensive. Tap into the audiences of existing podcasts by being a guest on them. There are literally millions of podcasts out there covering every single niche you can think of.
Again, guys, Google is your best friend. Go to Google and search with podcast. First, you will find Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, YouTube Podcast, and every other podcast like Spotify, podcast.co, you name it. Go to those websites, download the apps in your mobile phone, and search with the relevant industry. If you're in a local business, then you can search local podcasts. Yeah, because there is one tiny limitation in this. Podcast hosts like to have their guest into their studio. So you might need to travel to the podcast studio to become a guest and have a conversation or interview, record a podcast basically, in order to tap into their built-in audience. But it's 100% worth it. You get to know new people, know new audience that you don't currently have access to. So it's literally free traffic, free leads, free customers, and 100% free marketing. The problem is with the 9-to-5 guys who have a job and you can't make your time to attend a podcast interview by leaving your job. And also, when will you even prepare for a podcast? The second question is, what are we going to talk about? You have to be some expert at something. Yes, if you are an expert and you can manage the time to travel to the podcast studios, then this is for you, go do it. But if not, then I have a solution. And basically, that's why we have this program in place. We have over 400 members in our private community who are crushing it every day using the last step W. Work with video content, and especially short videos. Before we dive deeper and get you nervous, because most of our audience don't like to show their faces and don't even want to make videos. The first question is, I've never made videos before. Some even ask, oh my God, I don't even know about social media. Wait, I got you covered. First, let's see the opportunity and let us see the horrible future you're going to face if you don't take action right now. Because with AI, everything is simple and easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it just like us. Like we are doing every day and our students are doing every day and getting results. Listen guys, according to some authentic stats, latest Google earnings call says the YouTube Shorts videos daily has now reached over 70 billion views per day. Only on YouTube Shorts. I'm not even talking about TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other places like Snapchat or so. And by 2024, short-form video content will claim a staggering 90% share of internet traffic. If you want to do online marketing, whether it is for your business or a side hustle while you are at 9 to 5, and you are not ready to learn how to use AI and make simple videos, then you're gonna lose 90% of the traffic. No traffic means no customers, means absolutely no money. All right, you must be asking, Mosh, oh my God, how can I make videos? I have never made videos in my life. Well, don't worry about it because it's super simple. Like we use a simple process. We use a ChatGPT AI agent to help us learn valuable skills super fast. For example, before we made this video, I analyzed this video. I did my research using AI in just a couple of seconds, and I had a clear idea what to say in this video that will help you get a clear education about how to move forward with your business or if you don't have a business. Now, I personally like to show my face, but there are tons of softwares and tons of ways that you can make videos without ever showing face. And of course, your audience don't care about your face. They care about the information you share in your videos. So don't worry about showing face or not. The most important is you getting into videos and publish your short form videos in social media platforms. So yes, this is what we do. We use AI to learn valuable skills fast to make videos. And then we publish those videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These guys are in a war to get attention. So they send you free traffic, completely $0 traffic to your AI-powered automated funnel. These automated funnel turns your traffic into one-time sales like this or subscription, recurring income like this and affiliate commissions like this. And the reason our students love our program because the whole thing we are talking about is 99% done for you. We do all the technical work for our students. So they don't have to wait, they don't have to learn, they don't have to do it themselves because they don't have time. They're in 9 to 5 just like you, or they have a business to run, they have a busy life with their families. We take care of the whole thing. If you are interested how our students are getting results with a 99% done for you system, then check the link in the description if you're watching from YouTube, or check the link or the button from my website if you are watching from my website. In either case, it will work for you. I'm sure you remember I promised you a bonus step. This bonus step is amazing. And this bonus step
It actually reminds me of a show on Netflix I used to love watching called Best Leftovers Ever, where contestants would take leftovers, which, most people just either reheat or toss out, but they'd basically remix them into these amazing new dishes. It blew my mind just how creative they could get with stuff that was about to be thrown out, and you can actually repurpose your videos in the same way.
And you can do it using
the content waterfall system. This system allows you to take one X thread or any long form piece of written content and turn it into 26 pieces of content.
Just take notes if possible, or at least remember that this video or my video contains this information. It will save your time, multiply your traffic, leads, and sales.
As an example, 3 Instagram Reels, 3 YouTube Shorts, 3 TikTok videos, 3 X videos, 10 tweets, 1 newsletter, 1 Instagram carousel, 1 LinkedIn long form post, and 1 long form YouTube video.
If you do this, this will work whether you have a 9 to 5 and you are looking for a side hustle. It will get you traffic, leads, and sales from all different directions using 30 minutes to 90 minutes of your times per day. Or if you have a business, you can get constant flow of leads and customers using these simple methods. So guys, what is stopping you? I hope this video was helpful. If yes, feel free to subscribe to our channel for the next one. And make sure switch on the notification bell button so you get notification every time we upload a new one. Make sure you share with your friends and family. Oh, by the way, did you like this video yet? If not, go ahead, like it. Oh yes, I will put 2 other important videos that will help you multiply your income. The links will be here. Go watch them.